Scientists from a dozen universities have been tasked by the Department of Defense and the National Institutes of Health to model possible future scenarios on the path of the Ebola virus outbreak in West Africa. The group is known as MIDAS, for Models of Infectious Disease Agents Study.
As horrible as it is, it has been just what I've tried to train myself for, is for sort of an event like this.
Brian Lewis is a computational epidemiologist at Virginia Tech's Bioinformatics Institute.
And in a lot of ways, our group has done a lot of work to sort of position itself so that we'd have a lot of these tools on the shelf so that if a crisis like this did emerge, we'd be able to pull them off, rapidly apply them, so that we could adapt to the particular problem in questions.
Recent models for the potential spread of Ebola seem to show an exponential increase in areas where disease has been rampant. But now there's very preliminary evidence that there might be a self-limiting nature to this virus. Lewis refers to an article in the journal The Lancet that suggests that more people than previously thought who come in contact with Ebola do not get infected, do not get sick, and do not become carriers.
I think it has the potential to limit the dire forecasts that have been projected by some of these models. However, it will limit it, but it won't necessarily make it not a problem. It's still a dire situation one way or the other.
Lewis says it will take the MIDAS team a few days to replicate the study. If it bears out, they'll add that information to their predictive models to help guide the work of a wide variety of agencies, including the military and other support groups, as to where best to deploy resources to fight Ebola. I'm Robbie Harris.